I chose this hotel bed and breakfast because it was rated very highly, clean and beautiful. And it really is. I'm up one flight of stairs. And I was a wee bit, this is what the surroundings are. It's near to a big lake, which is another reason I was looking at this location. So I'll definitely go to the lake and maybe rent a bike tomorrow. Hopefully not too late. And this is a beautiful place. Wow, it's so clean. My room is the Fleur de Peuplier. Let me just show you in the bathroom before I make a mess of it. I mean, this place is huge. And here's the shower. Fancy rain shower. Maybe I should have a shower. That might help me get through the next 5 hours that I need, 4.5 hours I need to stay awake. Kind of a funny photographic silk screen on the wall. TV, Wi-Fi, windows, sweet little hearts hanging from the, this is what Chip and Joanna call shiplap in Texas. Beautiful bed. I mean, this place is amazing. It's gorgeous. And this is the toilette. The light is automatique. The husband greeted me and he doesn't speak English, so I got to really practice. This is the closet, and I just wanted to show you that I did use some packing cubes, and I wasn't sure if that was really me or not, but the fact of the matter is I pulled them out of my suitcase. Although it's just a carry-on, it's heavier than I can do going up a flight of stairs without hurting my back. So I pulled those out and carried them up separately. So here we are. I gotta go exercise so I can stay awake. Okay, bye for now.